Want to know how to change your mouse sensitivity in Paladins? So, mouse sensitivity really matters if you want to perform well in games, and I'll help you choose exactly how to do it. So, it's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and now once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So, once you're on this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing something known as settings with the gear icon. So, you can just simply select it. So now once you have clicked settings, here you should be provided with various interfaces that by default you should be seeing under video right here. So right beside video in the middle you should be seeing controls. This is your mouse controls simply if you're on your PC or your laptop, so you can just simply select it. So now once you have clicked that, here you should be seeing your mouse sensitivity and it should be by default 15. So you can just simply change it according to your mouse by dragging it right here or clicking arrows just like this, and you should be good to go. You can also change your scope sensitivity just like this, and that's it. I hope this video helped. You can simply select apply and you're good to go. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.